A video over examples of modeling equations, okay? Examples of modeling equations. Now, when you see equations, they might give you a key. Whenever they give you a model, they can give you a key that says that long rectangle equals y, and that if that long rectangle is shaded in, it equals negative y. They can say that this square equals 1, and if you see a square with a negative, it can equal negative 1, or if you see a shaded in square, it can equal negative 1, okay? Or they will just give you the model and they will label what everything is. These have negatives, these do not, which means these are positive and those are negative, okay? So using that information, let's go through this first model right here. I see 1, 2, 3 x's. So I would write 3x. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 positives, and I know that these are positive because they're blank, and these over here have symbols in them, negative symbols in them. So these are positive, so plus 4 equals, because my equal sign is in the middle, here's 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes with negatives in them, so minus 6. Okay? That is an example of how to write an equation from a model. Here's another one, because you won't always see it as rectangles. Sometimes they might give you triangles and say that a triangle equals x, and a shaded in triangle equals negative x. Okay? A square with nothing in it can equals 1, and a square with something in it or a negative sign in it equals negative 1. Okay? It won't always be rectangles. These could be circles. You have to pay attention to the model, okay? So, using this key, let's solve this model. I see 1, 2 x's. So 2x. Here are 1, 2, 3 squares with negatives in them, so minus 3 equals, here's 1, 2, 3, 4 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 squares with nothing in them, which means that they are positive, worth positive 1, so plus 5. Okay? That's it. They could also give you an equation like 2x plus 2 equals 3x minus 3. They could give you that equation and want you to find the model that matches. So you would have to look through your answer choices for something that looks like this. I'm just going to use the previous key to draw it. So here are x's plus 2 squares with nothing in them, equals 3 x's, so you have to draw 3 things that represent x, minus 3. You can't just write the minus in there. You have to use what they give you. You would look for the model that looks like this if you are given an equation and told to find the model, okay? Those are examples of modeling equations. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email me. You may also inbox me here on Canvas.